Unlike microwave grease filters, charcoal filters cannot be washed and must be replaced every 6 to 12 months. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before removing vent cover. Replace all panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. To remove the charcoal filter, you will need to remove 2 screws on the top of the microwave vent cover on the top of the microwave. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the vent mounting screws. Tip the cover forward, then lift out to remove. Lift the back of the charcoal filter and slide the old filter straight out. Slide the new charcoal filter into place. The filter should rest at the angle shown. Replace the vent cover by sliding the bottom of the vent cover into place. Push the top until it snaps into place and replace the mounting screws. Plug in the microwave oven or reconnect power and reset your filter status by navigating to Filter on the microwave menu and pressing Start.